for apple. B for ball. C for cat. D for dog. E for elephant. F for fish. G for giraffe. H for hippo. I for iguana. J for jellyfish. K for kangaroo. L for lion. O for owl. P is for parrot. Q is for quail. R is for rabbit. S is for snake. T is for tiger. U is for Uriel. V is for vulture. W is for walrus. X is for X-ray fish. Y for yak. Z is for zebra.